You know how there is designer and then there's more like the Walmart, the Targets of the world? Nothing wrong with either of the latter two, but designer is more exclusive. It has limitations on who usually has the buying power to get into that space. So when it comes to a modeling contract, exclusive is similar mindset. Exclusivity means that there are limitations. There are certain buying powers like with the designers, right? So if an agency gives you an exclusive contract, it needs to specify what state, cities, or even country that contract is exclusive for, meaning that you are only allowed to be signed with that agency within the boundaries or the exclusivity of those contract terms. So for example, agencies in New York City or LA, for instance, they may say, we are giving you an exclusive contract, and if this agency is in New York, you're only allowed to be signed with us in New York. If this agency is in LA, this contract is exclusive just for LA, meaning you can't go and sign with 5 other agencies in their specific territory. Non-exclusive is kind of like a free-for-all, right? It means that anyone has the ability to be signed to multiple agencies in that area. So if you have a non-exclusive contract and there are no specific parameters that say that you have to be just with that one agency in that state, that means you're able to go and get another agency in that same state as long as that second contract also says non-exclusive. By the way, if you're new here, I am Kamla-Kay. I'm an agency signed professional model. I do TV commercials and print work, and I'm also a modeling mentor. So I do one-on-one coaching sessions to help aspiring models get into the industry. So if you want a coaching session with me, make sure that you click on my website. And also, if you have more comments, just put them below.